As the dust settled on India's electoral battlefield, Prime Minister Narendra Modi emerged victorious, securing a historic third term in office. His resounding win under the Bharatiya Janata Party-led National Democratic Alliance has not only reaffirmed the nation's faith in his leadership but also heralded a new era of development and progress. With global leaders extending warm regards and congratulations, there's a palpable sense of optimism about the future of India's relations on the international stage. Take a look.
The resounding victory of the Bharatiya Janata Party-led National Democratic Alliance coalition in the Indian elections marked a historic milestone, paving the way for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to assume an unprecedented third term. This triumph reaffirmed the unwavering support for PM Modi's leadership in the country. In his first remarks following the election results, Prime Minister Modi expressed profound gratitude to the people for once again entrusting his alliance with their mandate.
और इस पावन दिन एनडीए की लगातार तीसरी बार सरकार बननी तय है। हम सभी जनता जनार्दन के बहुत आभारी हैं। देशवासियों ने भाजपा पर, एनडीए पर पूर्ण विश्वास जताया है।
In his address, PM Modi extended gratitude to the Election Commission for conducting the extensive election exercise, emphasizing the pride Indians feel in the credibility of the electoral process.
विकसित भारत के हमें निरंतर बड़े फैसले लेने हैं।
Additionally, he affirmed that Indians will collectively steer the country towards development, envisaging a new era of significant decisions in this third term.
हम भारतीय मिलकर चलेंगे, देश को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। तीसरे कार्यकाल में देश बड़े फैसलों का एक नया अध्याय लिखेगा।
In the aftermath of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's triumphant re-election, leaders from around the world extended their warm regards and congratulations, paving the way for a renewed sense of cooperation and friendship. Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni congratulated PM Modi and affirmed their commitment to strengthening the ties between Italy and India, while Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu conveyed warm regards to PM Modi for his third consecutive victory, expressing hope for the continued growth of the friendship between India and Israel. Meanwhile, Bhutan Prime Minister Tshering Tobgay tweeted his felicitations to PM Modi and expressed enthusiasm for bolstering bilateral relations, praising Modi's efforts in enhancing India's standing. Additionally, Nepali Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Dahal extended his congratulations to PM Modi for securing a third consecutive term in office. Despite ongoing diplomatic tensions, Mohammad Muizzu, President of the Maldives, expressed optimism about cooperating with India to pursue common interests and achieve stability and prosperity for both nations. The widespread congratulatory messages from global leaders reflected a renewed era of collaboration and friendship. The expressions of goodwill from various nations underscored the positive outlook for India's future relations. This collective sentiment sets a promising foundation for strengthened partnerships and shared progress on the international stage.